totally in business class. Check it out. I'm in business class. Look at this. Business class tour. Look at all the leg room I've got. Lots of leg room. I'm a gangster. I'm a baller. Look at this. Look at this. Footrest. Yeah.
Stand up and take one of an empty seat.
Yeah, I should. I'm just testing with the different buttons.
Thank you, cabin crew staff, to prepare ground departure. Sending everybody off to Stuart Place, the customer service manager. Welcome to service through to Melbourne. We do have everybody on board now. The cabin secure, lockdown another way for you. That main cabin there, you can see got quite a few spare seats. It's really important that you stay in the row that you've been allocated.
Look at this, everyone. Look at what we've got. Being treated like royalty. Business class. Is this happening? This is awesome. Oh, sweet. Thank you very much. Thanks so much. Look at this. Being treated like royalty. Being treated like royalty here. Oh my god. This is happening. Business class is happening.